Despite some organizations moving to cloud-based software as a service solutions, PeopleSoft remains a critical enterprise system in industries like healthcare, higher education, financial services, and government. The good news, PeopleSoft skills are still highly valuable. The not so good news, they may not be valuable in the same way they used to be. Here are the top industries still hiring PeopleSoft professionals. Healthcare. Many hospitals and clinics still run PeopleSoft Human Capital Management for payroll and human resources. Higher education, colleges, and universities rely on campus solutions to manage student records, financial aid, and faculty administration. Financial services, banks, and investment firms use PeopleSoft financials and supply chain systems to manage critical business operations. And in government, federal and state agencies continue to use PeopleSoft to run HR and finance operations every day. Now let's talk about the future of PeopleSoft. People keep predicting its death, but it never happens. Why? Because it's been around for decades, and it's deeply embedded in how large organizations operate. Big companies don't just rip and replace something that works. PeopleSoft isn't disappearing, it's shifting. Most companies have spent years customizing their PeopleSoft environments. Moving everything to the cloud is expensive. It's disruptive, so they're doing it slowly. What they're choosing instead is a hybrid approach. They're keeping the PeopleSoft core and layering cloud apps on top for analytics, payroll, and automation. And that opens up a big opportunity because the most valuable PeopleSoft professionals today, they're not just PeopleSoft experts. They're the ones who can connect PeopleSoft to modern cloud platforms. They understand application programming interfaces. They understand cloud security models, and they know how to use automation tools to streamline the work. This is bigger than just knowing people code or configuration manager. Even Oracle knows this. They've committed to supporting PeopleSoft through the year 2035. That's not the behavior of a company trying to sunset a product. They're continuing to invest in PeopleSoft, especially in ways that let it blend better with the cloud. So if you work in PeopleSoft, here's what this means. The job market isn't disappearing, but your skill set has to evolve. The highest paying roles, they're not for traditional admins. They're for admins and developers who can bridge the gap between old on-premise systems and modern cloud technology. Some professionals will spend the next 10 years asking, is PeopleSoft going to survive? But the smart ones, they're already learning how to make sure it does. PeopleSoft isn't dead, it's evolving. Companies aren't replacing it overnight. They're integrating it with cloud solutions like Oracle Cloud, Workday, and SAP. Here's what that shift means for your career. Number one, hybrid enterprise roles are growing. You'll need to understand both PeopleSoft and modern cloud platforms. So learn Oracle Cloud Human Capital Management, learn Workday, learn SAP SuccessFactors. Number two, functional consulting is in high demand. Deep PeopleSoft knowledge is still valuable. Businesses need smart consultants who can optimize their systems and lead them into the cloud. Number three, leadership and project management are key. Companies need experienced people to lead migrations, digital transformations, and cross-platform upgrades. Remember, Oracle has committed to supporting PeopleSoft through 2035. Most companies are taking a gradual, layered approach. They're keeping PeopleSoft for what it does best and adding cloud for what it can improve. And here's the bottom line. The highest paying roles in PeopleSoft now require you to understand integration, cloud automation, and application programming interfaces. So how do you future-proof your career? Learn how to integrate PeopleSoft with cloud systems. Master application programming interface development. Stay on top of automation trends, and build strong leadership and consulting skills. The PeopleSoft pros who adapt, they will stay in high demand. Don't wait. Start evolving now. That's exactly the kind of situation where salaries go up.